Hello and welcome back. Today we are gonna discuss some strategies to quit smoking. Quitting smoking can be a challenging journey, but with the right mindset and tools, it's possible to succeed. First of all, set a quit date. Choose a date that's significant to you. Write it down and tell it to your friends and stick to it. Make a commitment to yourself. Now, second thing which comes to my mind is identifying triggers. Identify the times and situations when you smoke. This could be after a meal, meeting a friend, during a break, or maybe when you are stressed. And once you have identified your trigger, make a plan to avoid them. So the next thing that comes to my mind is finding a support. Tell your loved ones about your decision to quit smoking and ask for their support. You can also join a support group or seek professional help. Yes, that helps. Find healthy habits that you enjoy and replace smoking with them. This could be going for a walk. Yeah, just a simple walk. Practicing yoga, listening to music, hanging out with friends. Just like that. Nicotine replacement therapy can help down reduce cravings. Moreover, it can help you cope up with withdrawal symptoms. For nicotine replacement therapy, there are plenty of options available like nicotine chewing gums, lozenges, and inhalers. Mindfulness can help you stay focused on your goals and manage your cravings. You can simply try deep breathing exercises and meditation, or maybe some yoga. Reward yourself. Celebrate your small milestones and reward yourself for staying smoke free. This could be anything from having something you like or something you were wanting to have for a long time. Or maybe you could go on a vacation. In addition to these small changes, you need to avoid alcohol. As we know, drinking alcohol can lower your inhibitions and increase your cravings for smoking. Now we come to practicing self-talk. It's important to have a positive mindset when you are trying to quit smoking. Practice positive self-talk and remind yourself of why were you trying to quit smoke. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Do regular exercise. Just go for a walk. You can go for cycling. You can go for swimming. Try to get at least 30 minutes of your daytime into regular exercise. Keep your hands busy. Many people find that their hands feel restless when they quit smoking. You can keep your hands busy by using a stress ball or a fidget spinner or any other object that you can hold or manipulate. Plan for cravings. Cravings are a normal part of quitting smoking, but they can be difficult to manage. You can plan ahead on cravings by having a healthy snack on hand or maybe taking a relaxing activity just like a hot shower or reading a book. Remove any of the triggers that you see around you. And throw away any cigarettes, lighters, or ashtrays at your home, workplace, or your car. Also, you need to avoid spending time with people who smoke. Yes, they can be your friends, but you need to avoid and focus on your goal. Practice good sleep habits. Lack of sleep can increase your stress level and it can reduce your ability to cope with cravings. Make sure you get enough sleep during the night by establishing a regular sleep routine. You can try avoiding caffeine during night and creating a comfortable sleep environment. Just focus on the benefits. Quitting smoking can have numerous health benefits, such as reducing the risk of cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Focus on these benefits and how quitting smoking can improve your overall quality of life. Remember, quitting smoking can be a long journey. It's a process that takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and do not quit if you slip up. With persistence and right strategies, you can successfully quit smoking and improve your health and well being. If you are willing to quit smoking, do let us know in the comment sections. And if you want personalized strategy to quit smoking, I'll pin down a link in description. You can watch that video and it will surely help you in your path to quit smoking. That's all for today's video. I hope you will quit smoking soon and live a healthy life. Keep moving forward, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Stop smoking and save your life.